So this was the question which we were doing in the class, and this was also your homework, right? So we have already done about this, that we have 100 centimeter cube. When we have 100 centimeter cube, we get oxygen is being consumed by copper turnings which are present here, because copper and oxygen react together making copper oxide. This was the reaction, and this copper which is present here react with oxygen making copper oxide. So this reaction happens here, and the remaining gas, after cooling the operators, we get remaining volume of the gas, which is 79 centimeter cube, 78% nitrogen and 1% noble gases. This we have already done in the classroom. And we can start this question in your book. You start your question with 100 centimeter cube, but we can start this question with any volume and we can find percentage of oxygen. So in this case they provided us 50 centimeter cube of a oxygen gas, and they are telling you that you already know this information, that in air oxygen is 21%, right? 21%, that if the volume of air is 100, then oxygen present is 21, right? So if the volume of air is 100, oxygen volume is always 21, right? Now starting this question, that suppose the initial volume of air was 50 centimeter cube instead of 100. ये 100 नहीं है. What would you predict the final volume of gas to be? So what would be the remaining gas which we get after the reaction of oxygen with copper, right? So for this, first of all, we need to know if 100 contain 21% of oxygen, what is the percentage of oxygen is present in 50 centimeter cube. So we will write here air and oxygen, and we simply use this technique. For those of you, those who have done 10.5 centimeter cube, they are also correct, but they have done question half. They left one part of the question, that is they need to subtract it from the total volume, because they are not asking about oxygen volume, they are actually asking for volume which remain in the second gas syringe after the reaction, and this we get by subtracting the volume of oxygen, right? So first we need to find it in 50 centimeter cube. So when we have 50 centimeter cube, what would be the volume? So you can see, if we solve this, we get 100 in 100x, 21 into 50, 21 into 50 divided by 100, and the answer is 10.5 centimeter cube. So what is this? This is volume of oxygen. But what we need volume of nitrogen, right? So for this we need to write total volume. Total volume mean initial volume, which we have taken. Initial total volume is 50 centimeter cube minus volume of oxygen gas in 50 centimeter cube. What is that? That is 10.5, and when we subtract, we get 39.5 centimeter cube. I hope you understand. You can solve any type of question by using this method. I hope you are clear about it right now, and if you have any kind of confusion, you can ask me anytime. Okay? अल्लाह हाफिज़।